As a photographer, I understand what it's like to struggle to find reliable, consistent income and the stresses around cash flow, as well as working all those late nights editing photos and then working weekends that really cuts into family time. Two things I changed to solve these problems that had such a profound impact on not only my cash flow, but on my lifestyle were focusing on real estate photography and outsourcing my editing. Those two things alone allowed me to live a semi-retired lifestyle since my early 40s, working a 3-day week. Imagine every week you get calls from your real estate agents to photograph their listings, removing the stress around where your next job will come from. At the end of the day, you upload your photos to your editor and switch off your computer because you're finished and ready to do the things in life you want to do. This course will show you how to create this for yourself. Welcome to Real Estate Photography Masterclass, the ultimate online school to build your confidence and start earning money as a real estate photographer. I've been a commercial photographer for over 30 years now, where I have photographed thousands of houses for all the big agencies, anything from small apartments to multi-million-dollar estates. So whether you're a beginner with no experience photographing real estate, or you're a professional photographer looking to add another income stream to your business, this masterclass will teach you everything you need to know to deliver high quality, consistent results that real estate agents, builders and architects desperately need. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me at info@myphotocareer.com and I will see you inside.